All hail the king of movies. He's seen them all, from Bacall and Bogey, from The Wizard of Oz to Gone with the Wind. He's even seen the ones he's in. You must respect his expertise for all the movies that he sees are certified by the buff. Shouldn't that be enough? Hail the king, come on. The king of movies, hail the VFA, each and every day. Spielberg, Lucas, Bilbo too, appreciates the things you do. So let's pop some corn, fill up the bag, 'cause Dustin knows which tail to wag. G-R-E-double-G, he's the cinema man for me. Let's roll the tape. Don't press pause, some popcorn classic. Just because we love the king. We love the king. We love the king of the movies.
HEI Network proudly presents, in association with the Yamada Group, it's the 10th annual Live on Cinema Oscar Special.